guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to cut this Modesty stylish hijab, how to cut it and how to stitches it. So you see this hijab, me I cut it 3/4, so you can follow, you can cut it long, you can cut it anyhow that you want. But all what you need is just follow how the method, very simple method that I use, that I'm showing you, that I will be showing you. Just follow the method, very simple to cut and very unique, no stress. You see, you can do it, you can use it to cover your mouth, you can do it anyhow. So guys, follow me. You see, you can tie it at the back, tie it at the back, tie it at the neck, upper part, anyhow that you want it, you can do it anyhow. So guys, you see, very unique, very fantastic, very simple to cut, no stress. I can say no stress. So guys, let's go to the work. So this is the materials I use, is plain London crepe, not really stretching like that, not really stretching, not really stretching, you see. So you can feel the texture, so not stretching too much. So guys, you see, where let's go to the work. So I folded the materials into four, like you wanted to cut flare, like you wanted to cut flare. I folded it into four. I folded it into four, and then the measurement I need is just 25. I mean 30. Sorry, 30. I need just 30. But the way I want, some are cutting 5, but me I cut 6 because I saw some for someone is too tight for it, so I reduce 1. So that is the middle. I use the middle 30 because you know that the middle, the back will be longer than the front. So just follow me, you will see how we do, so that the front will not be longer than the back. So you see, for the side and side I do the 25, and then for the middle I do that one 30, because it's very curved, not really shaping like that, but very curved. So guys, so let's go. You see, I don't really use the chalk to measure, to do it well, because I don't want it to stay the materials. I don't want it to stay the materials. You see, you can see that I'm using the blue check, so I don't want it to stay the material. But if you follow the process, my dear sister, my dear brother, very simple to cut, very simple techniques to cut. You see, I'm cutting the 6 that I cut from the upper part, I'm cutting it out. Don't forget that the middle side, I said I take 30. So for the side and side, that one I take 25. So I'm cutting it out. As you can see that I add some half, I don't really cut it the same place that I marked, so I'm cutting it out like that. So guys, you see, just be patient. Just be patient. I'm done cutting it, I'm done. Yeah, you said I cut it into I fold it into 4, so I wanted to separate it into 2. That means front and back. Front and back. You see, I'm cutting the other side, I'm cutting it out. Yeah, to be front and back now. You see, that is our front and our back. Yeah, but normally when you wanted to cut hijab, the front side will be short, so the back side will be longer, small at least, because you know that our bust will raise the hijab up, so that it will not be balanced. So that means at least you will add, like maybe you do the front, 30, so automatically you will do the back like 35 or 38. So you see, that is the front. I'm curving it. You see that it's like V, so I'm just curving it, just something like, I reduce like 5 or 6. So I'm curving it because I don't want the front to be longer than the back. I want it to be something mature. You know that at times you see some hijab, the front will just be long, but not really nice for me. Yeah, I don't know for some people, but not really nice like that. You see, I've cut it out. Yeah, that is it. You see, I wanted to cut the, yeah, I'm measuring the front. I'm measuring the front and the back so that I will know the belt that I wanted to add to it. So I'm cutting it 3 3. For me, I prefer 4, but let's go. I prefer 4 because I don't want it to be light. I want it to be thicker, small. So literally, I do it 4. So 4 by 30 unfold. So I just gave it something like, so let's go to the machine. So I'm folding the front side. I'm folding the front side, the one that's with curve. So I'm just folding it like small, like half inch here, half inch, half inch. So just folding it, and then the machine don't want to sew the materials, and it's not like I don't know why. So I'm just trying so that I will complete what I'm doing. But if I said I had paper or the masking tape, it will not be nice for me. So I just wanted to sew it raw like that. Yeah, we are almost done. So that is our back. I'm holding. You see that I didn't sew the back. That is the front that we sew like half inch. Yeah. You see, I make the back to be longer, small, like half inch more than the front. So I will sew it and I will sew the side and side. Even the process, when you look it very well, you will see like it's like flare. Yeah, it's like you are cutting flare here. You are cutting one with flare. You see, I make it. I make the back to longer, smaller than the front. You see, this is our belt that I cut. You see, because I already notched the middle for the belt, and I already notched the middle for the back too. You see, I'm just marking it, so I will notch it again so that I will not get problem. I will not confuse myself because I want it to be equal. You see. So let's go, just marking it. Yeah. So just take the scissors to notch it small. Something like that really. So I folded it and then I'll sew the place I notch it out. So I'll just sew it all around. Yeah. Yes, you just sew it. So you see I'll remove it. You see the place I notched from the back and for the you see for the back too. For the back. You see, yeah, just sew it, put it on the machine and sew it the half. So just sew it. Yeah. Yes, so, let's go. Oh, the materials were in my machine, but at least. So let's go. Let's go. So in any situation you meet yourself, guideline is very important. The guideline is very important. Nobody uses you all, but at least you need to watch carefully and be patient so that you gain what you are learning. So that's it. You see, I finished sewing it. Yeah, very simple way, a very fast way. You see, so it just remove some unnecessary allowance that you don't need. Just remove it out of it. Remove it out. So that is our job. So let's go to the mesh and the iron it. You see, you see, that is all the process. No, depending on how you want it. It's long, short, anyhow that you want it. But for me, I just cut it some 3/4 a bit. So if you remember the measurement we use 30 by 25, the middle side 30. So we use the side and side 25. Literally, we cut 5 out of the front. So you can guide yourself to show the long one, to show the short, because this one is just 3/4. So thank you guys, thank you, subscribe to my channel, god bless you, see you next time, bye.